It is, yes. The Hawaiian language, very interesting on how to pronounce some of it. I don't know if you've put gone on Maps or Siri and tried to type in roads and have it try to mess up. Oh, that's funny.
Google's been doing pretty good with things.
Oh, that's good. Better than me. Maybe you can teach me. I'm still trying to figure a lot of the words out. The airport? Oh, I'm sorry, go ahead.
How long have you been here?
Off and on, close to 8 years. Yeah, I was here in the Army back in the mid-90s, and then the Army brought me back in 2013, and I just retired, so I've been here for quite a bit. There's the Kaneohe Marine Corps Air Base that we have right there. Now, we have every branch of service here on the island, to include the Coast Guard and the National Guard. That's the Marines. Luckily for us, nobody's flying right now, so we're just going to go right through it. But right out front, though, this is one of my favorite parts of the island. Kaneohe Sandbar. This is all sand and coral reef, and you can see the handful of boats out here. At low tide, it kind of exposes a hidden beach. People will come out here with jet skis or pontoon boats or kayaks and just kind of walk around or swimming with turtles. So we're going to come over here and get a better look. Let me come down a little bit. This is the fun part. I love it right here. Turtles, manta rays. Now family, they also tell me there's a 15-foot hammerhead shark out here. I've named him Cletus. I haven't found him yet, but I'm still looking for Cletus. They're all standing down there. It's beautiful. Oh, all down here standing. Enjoying the day. I don't know, family. Let's go park the helicopter. Let's go. Right?
Pop up this float.
That's right. Pop these floats. Let's just land it. I've landed on a boat in the Army. So let's do it. Look at that. Those two white boats you see right there, that's Captain Bob. That's who charters that one.
What are all these round spots to the left?
That is coral reef. Isn't it gorgeous? And they get a little bit bigger each year. Just interesting, isn't it? Just so beautiful. Oh, looks like we got a wall of rain coming over here out the right-hand side. We're going to try to outrun that. Got Chinaman's hat coming up next, and then right behind it, family, is Kualoa Ranch. Now, Kualoa Ranch, that's where you can go zip lining or go horseback riding or do what we call the Jurassic Valley tour. But it looks like that valley is good, so we're just going to go get in it. Alright family, so back through here, this is where parts of Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, some of 51st Dates was filmed back here. The new Kong movie that's actually in theaters right now was filmed back here as well. Tears of the Sun, filmed back here. Parts of the television show Hawaii 5-0, and they do some of the jungle scenes, is filmed back here. Parts of Lost, also filmed back here. Hollywood loves it back here, family. We're just going to take a sneak peek at everything. Beautiful. Now family, if you go ride the ATVs or go ziplining, make sure you wave at me. I'll be flying right over you. I don't know what they're building down here, Mr. Garrett. Maybe props for the ziplining, maybe. What it looks like. Welcome to Hanauma Valley and Kaneohe Bay. This is the wettest valley on the island. We average about 300 inches of rainfall each year in this one valley. Next little valley is called Punulu'u, right through here. This is part of our Hawaiian homelands, meaning to own some of the homes and land through here, you actually have to be part Hawaiian. All the islands have some part of it that are homelands.
Part Hawaiian as in tracing lineage back?
Yes, sir. Absolutely. You got it. Well, it looks like these two rain showers just kind of parted the ways for us, didn't it? Perfect. It was meant to be. Now, family, in the next little valley, we have a waterfall called Sacred Falls. I'm going to slow down a little bit. Let's see what kind of weather we have just right in this little waterfall. It's the tallest waterfall we have on Oahu. And here by helicopter, this is the only way to see it. I'll first put it out the left, and then do a turn, putting it out the front and the right-hand side. And the clouds are a little low. I think we may be able to stay a little bit on the outside to see it. There it is, tucked away in that back little corner. There it is. Yeah, I can't go too far back because of the rain. One more little peek back there. Beautiful, isn't it? Alright, we're going to slowly but surely start making our way to those famous North Shores where we have all the famous surf competitions in the winter time. Kind of flat today, or at least it was yesterday. So we'll see what we're going to get. Now the trees that you see here with the light